Good morning and welcome. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines from the Travel World Online Newsroom, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio channel. First, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Alluri Sitarama Raju International Airport at Bhogapuram. Air India expands Canada network with non-stop Mumbai-Toronto flights and upgraded Dreamliner service. IAG debuts vignette collection in India with the Alice Hotel Panchkula. Vikas Pansare takes charge as Maharashtra's new Director of Tourism. And leading hospitality bodies seek Prime Minister's intervention over Maharashtra FDA enforcement drive. Now, the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Alluri Sitarama Raju Greenfield International Airport at Bhogapuram near Visakhapatnam. Developed by GMR Group across 2,200 acres, the airport features an initial capacity of 6 million passengers annually, equipped with DigiYatra, AI-driven predictive operations, and sustainable solar power. Set to begin commercial operations on August 17th, the gateway will boost tourism, trade, and economic growth across eastern India. Air India has announced a major expansion of its Canada operations, introducing non-stop Mumbai-Toronto flights operating thrice weekly from October 25th. The airline is also deploying its new generation Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner on Delhi-Toronto routes, boosting overall monthly capacity by 4,400 seats and premium seating by 71%. Operating 20 weekly flights to Canada this winter, the network significantly strengthens international connections for the Indian diaspora. IHG Hotels and Resorts has introduced its luxury lifestyle brand Vignette Collection to Southwest Asia with the opening of the Alice Hotel Panchkula. Overlooking the Shivalik Hills, the 145-room property offers extensive event space, wellness amenities, and signature cultural rituals. Managing Director Sudeep Jain highlighted that the launch expands IHG's regional luxury portfolio while partnering with local non-profits to support sustainable livelihoods for women. IAS officer Vikas Pansare has assumed charge as the new director of the Directorate of Tourism in Maharashtra following a recent administrative reshuffle. Previously serving as managing director of MSSIDC, Pansare succeeds Mangesh Joshi to lead the state's tourism vision, destination marketing, and infrastructure development. His focus will center on executing Maharashtra's long-term growth strategy to attract investment and elevate visitor experiences nationwide. Finally, leading hospitality associations HRAVI, NRAI, and AHAR have submitted a joint representation to the Prime Minister's Office and FSSAI regarding the Maharashtra FDA's ongoing enforcement drive. While reiterating full support for food safety standards, the bodies urged adherence to due process under the FSS Act, including mandatory 14-day improvement notices before license suspensions. The industry requested urgent stakeholder consultations to protect business stability while maintaining compliance. That's all in this news bulletin. For latest news, keep watching Travel World Online, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio. Signing off, I am Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.